Standard 2nd, Science, chapter number 9, Air Around Us. Here, air is present everywhere. It means air is everywhere. All living things need air to breathe. We all need air to breathe. Like animals also they need breathe. We also need breathe. Those who are living beings, they all need air to breathe. There can be no life on the earth without air. Means if air is not there, then no one can able to live. Okay, if for example, if you hold your nose tightly, okay, then what happen? After a few seconds you are not able to breathe. Why? Because you are not getting air. So without air we are not able to live. We cannot see or touch air, but we can feel it. Everywhere it is air, but we are not able to see. But if we want to feel, then what you have to do? Just I am showing you. Just shake your hand like this. Okay. So what happened? You will feel air. We cannot see or touch air, but we can feel it when it moves. Moving air is called wind. What we will speak? Moving air is called wind. Okay. Wind blowing slowly is called breeze. We enjoy a cool breeze. Slowly wind is blowing, we will tell that it is called a breeze. Okay. Strong and fast blowing wind is called a storm. Storm can be very dangerous. It can damage houses, trees and crops. Air has many gases like oxygen. In air, how many gases are there? They have given that like oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. It also has water vapor, dust and smoke. Here they have given one activity that pour some water in a glass. Pour means we have to put some water in the glass. Okay. Put some ice cube into it. Means after pouring the water in the glass, we have to add some ice cubes in that glass. What do you see? You see tiny drops of water on the outside of the glass. You can see that tiny droplets coming out of the glass. Where did these drops comes from? They came from the water vapor in the air. When water vapor in the air touched the glass, they cooled and changed into water drops. Means that water droplets which is coming out of the glass, it shows that the cool. See here they have given. When water vapor is in the air touch the glass, means water vapor whatever it is in the air, it is there. So it touched the glass and it forms and it cool and it changes into water drops. Okay. You have seen that if you are taking out that water bottle from the fridge and afterwards that water is coming out of the water bottle. How? So the air which is in the water vapor, water vapor is in the air, it touches to that cold water bottle and that droplets coming outside. Okay. Now air has dust in it. When we sweep our house or dust our furniture, dust particles rise up and mix with the air. This makes the air impure. Means while we are sweeping in our house, right? So sweeping in our house or dusting our furniture. So at that time dust particles rises and mix in the air and it makes the air impure. That if you will see that sun rays are coming in our house, then that you can see that small particles you can see in that rays. So at that time you can able to see that clearly. If you want to see, then I am showing you this, just giving example. Now air has germs in it. When a sick person cough or sneeze, germs from the cough mix with the air. So here see here, if sick person is there and when they are coughing or sneezing, at that time germs from the cough mix with the air. So whenever you are sneezing or coughing at that time, what you have to do? You have to stay away from other and you have to use handkerchief. Okay, so it will not harm others. These germs can enter our body through air and makes us sick. Thus we should always use a handkerchief when we cough or sneeze. as I told you in the beginning here, that when we are coughing or sneezing, at that time we have to use handkerchief, okay, and we have to stay away from our friend or family member, otherwise that germs will enter in their body and they will also become sick. Okay, so garbage and open gutters produce foul gases. Foul means bad smell, it is coming, that gases. They contain germs and also make the air impure and unhealthy. Means wherever they are all are throwing garbage and open gutters are there, foul gases smell coming. So they contain germs, means at that place germs are there. So it makes the air dirty, impure and unhealthy. So we have to stay away from that type of places. Air has smoke in it. When coal or wood is burnt, black smoke comes out from the fire and get mixed with the air. So you can see in the picture that this black smoke is coming, so from the fire or smoke. So it mixed with the air. And factories moving cars and buses also gives out smoke. You can see this. This smoke makes the air impure. This type of black smoke it is coming, it means it makes the air impure and it is not good for our health and make us ill. Okay, it is this type of black smoke is not good for our health because it makes our body unhealthy and make us ill. So while you are going outside, you have to wear mask or you have to cover your nose or face with the handkerchief or dupatta. Okay, now breathe fresh air. We must breathe in clean and fresh air. Always we have to breathe in clean and fresh air. Plant make the air clean and fresh, so we should grow more and more plants around us. From where do we get? We are thinking that here everywhere it is smoke and everything it is there, so from where we will get fresh air? Here everywhere it is unhealthy, that it is a bad smell it is coming, means here they have gone that in the air germs it is there, here smoke it is there, so smoke is also not good for our health. Then from where we get fresh air? So we will get fresh air from the plants, and if plants is there then only we are getting fresh air. So here they have given that we must breathe in clean and fresh air, but from where we have to breathe clean and fresh air? So plants makes the air clean and fresh, so we should grow more and more plants around us. If we will grow more and more plants around us, then we will get fresh air. Plants give out oxygen while making their food, means in the daytime when plants are making their food, at that time plants are giving us oxygen and taking carbon dioxide, so we are getting clean and fresh air. But at night we don't have to sleep or stand under the tree. Why? Because at night plants are not making their food. At that time plants are taking oxygen and giving carbon dioxide. So during daytime only, with the help of air, water and sunlight, it makes their food. At that time they are not using oxygen. At that time plant or trees are using carbon dioxide. Okay, we should keep doors and windows open to let the fresh air comes in. Means in our house windows or doors are there, that we don't have to close for whole day. During daytime we have to open all that windows, so the fresh air comes in and bad smell will go. Okay, now we should not cover our face when we sleep. Means when we are sleeping, at that time we don't have to cover our face with the blanket or else, right, whatever you are using. So our face we have to keep open. Don't cover your face. Why? Do not cover your face while sleeping. Why? We should. So if you will cover your face, then you are taking oxygen and taking out carbon dioxide. That whatever you are inhaling, that air will come outside and again you will take that same again. So you are not taking oxygen at that time, you are taking out carbon dioxide, so again it will go inside. Okay, so always you have to open, means always you have to don't have to cover your face, keep it open. Okay, till half in the given picture, that it up to here only you have to cover your body while you are sleeping. You don't have to cover whole face. Now we should play in the park or open ground. Where we have to play? In park or open ground. Air is important for life on the earth. We should not make it impure. Means air is very important on the earth. Without air we are not able to live. So we should not make it impure. We have to keep them pure. With the how we will keep pure? By growing more and more trees. Okay, now this exercise I will show you in the next video.